Safeguard your entire online presence by mastering Hostinger's powerful backup and restore tools for your WordPress website. First, log into your Hostinger account and navigate to your website's control panel. Locate and click on the File Manager option within your dashboard. Inside the File Manager, select the public_HTML folder, which contains all your website's core files. Right-click on the public_HTML folder and choose the Compress option to create a zipped archive of your entire website. This bundle will contain all your themes, plugins, images, and code. Wait for the compression process to complete. This might take a few moments depending on your website size. Once compressed, download the generated zip file to your computer. Store this backup in a safe and accessible location, preferably off your server. Now, let's back up your website's database from your Hostinger control panel. Find and click on the Databases option, then select phpMyAdmin. Within phpMyAdmin, select your WordPress database from the list on the left side. Click on the Export tab at the top of the phpMyAdmin interface. Ensure the Quick Export method is selected and the format is set to SQL. Then, click the Go button to download your database backup. Save this SQL file alongside your website's file backup. You now have a complete backup of your WordPress site. For restoring your website, return to your Hostinger control panel and locate the Backup tool. Click on Create Backup or a similar button to initiate the restoration process. You'll see options to upload your files and database backup. First, click to upload your website's zipped file backup into the designated File Upload area. Next, upload the SQL file you previously downloaded for your database. Hostinger will then process these uploads. Once uploaded and processed, follow any on-screen prompts to complete the restoration. Your website will be restored to the state it was in when the backup was created.